Hi, in this video we are going to learn about data types in Python 3. Data types are an important part of Python. However, before beginning, first we need to learn about variables. Variables can store different types of data as we saw in the previous video. Link given in the description down below. There are three main inbuilt data types which are going to learn in this video. So let's start our video with our first data type, which is string. String is anything enclosed by single or double quotes. The short form of string is str in Python. For example, hi is a string. Now to print it, we will first have to write type print open parenthesis open double quotes, write the required text, close the parenthesis and hit enter. As you can see, we have got the required text displayed below. To check it is a or not, we have to first create a variable which will contain a string. Then type print open parenthesis, write type, open another parenthesis, type the variable name, both the parentheses. As you can see, the output is str, which means string. The second which we are going to learn about is integer. Integer in Python are similar to mathematical ones. They are known as int in short form in Python. For example, 1, 100, minus 9, minus 124, etc. To print an integer, we first type print, then open parenthesis, type the required integer and close the parenthesis. If you want to test whether it is an integer or not, you have to create a variable for an integer, then type print open parenthesis, write type, open another parenthesis and write the variable name. Close both the pairs of parentheses and hit enter. As you can see, the result is int as integer in Python. The third data type is float. Float with decimals. A float is written as float in Python. For example, 1.0, 2.1, minus 3.2, minus 10.7, etc. To print it, we have to type print, open parenthesis, type the float value and close the parenthesis. To check whether float or not, we will first have to create a variable for float open write print open parenthesis, write type, open another parenthesis, type the value for float and close the parenthesis. As you can see, float is which means that it is a float. Thanks a lot for watching. Be on the look out for the next video which we will learn about booleans and logical operators.